lang muna sa amin. Walahin mo muna kami. Tsaka ka lang
Masakit sa dibdib niya, Ari, sabihin yun.
Dapat ikaw pa naman yan. Kaya nga namin na ginano eh. Hihintay lang namin.
You ladies are both gorgeous this afternoon.
Thank you so much. And you're the most handsome guy.
Oh, thanks for
Yeah,
listening.
this afternoon. I must
Joke
say
lang.
both of you. You look handsome this afternoon. Wow, you look fascinating. Thank you so much.
You know, ladies, this event is really one of the
We
most
don't depend on
memorable
that, no?
occasions here in our
Yeah,
university.
exactly. I agree on that. It
This
must
is
be, yeah.
part of our history that every second year the College of Business Administration and Accountancy, headed by the accounting department, is looking for the new faces to be the next Mr. and Miss Baliwag
Exactly.
University.
So to formally open this afternoon's event, let us all welcome the candidates for their production number to be led by the selected ramp models from the CBA department.
Is it the voice-over? So mamaya pa to.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Voice-over ba yan?
Sabi ko na. At this moment, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the candidates.
The candidates! Ganun.
The candidates
Oh,
for the 2009 Mr. and Miss BUJT.
Lagyan mo ng ano doon kasi
Candidates.
Oo, okay.
Emphasize.
Oh, yes.
Okay, after nun, atin tayo then pictures of the candidates. During rehearsal. Ate, ba na mag-voice-over tayo? Mag-voice
Si ate!
Let's witness.
Patay. Kuya Ian,
How they